I have a word for you. And if you've been feeling sad and feeling down and even depressed today over everything that's been happening, then listen to these following words for you. It is now February the 22nd, 2022, and we are entering into a stage of full revelation. Many of you, like myself, are fighting against the sadness felt, similar to an abused spouse who's trapped, unable to speak, unable to have their own identity, under the thumb of another, having to do and say what is pleasing to the abuser. Where do you find your joy through all of this? Where do you find your peace? You see no way out, and you don't see it getting any better. You have a choice. Yes, it's the only choice that you have full control over. Allow all that is good within you to shine forth. Or you have the choice to give in and allow the bitterness of the abuser to destroy you. You may not see the outcome right now. Work on yourself. Gain strength in any way you have to. Look for the little joys that will come into your daily life and hold on to them. Do not let discouragement take root and drill poison into your heart and mind. Restoration is happening. There are going to be days ahead, unfortunately, where it don't look too good. But I say, just like the abused spouse, that eventually matures enough, sees the lies, knows that they are worthy, that they deserve better. They mentally become stronger for that time when they have to make the bigger life-changing decision. And sometimes those decisions are not easy to follow through on. Find your source of strength and power. Pray for the revelations and the answers to be revealed to you. Do what is right. Hold on and keep your humanity. Look back on each day and be proud of each word spoken and each action taken. Be encouraged. You may never be able to live like you did in the past, and therefore we need to adapt and get stronger for the new normal. Demonstrate love to avoid falling deeper into a depressive state. Hope over being discouraged. Give over being empty inside. Love over becoming bitter. We are here now, and there may be no turning back. Do not allow the corruptness and bitterness of others to destroy you. Whether that bitterness and hatefulness and arrogance is felt by friends and family that you've had lifetime friendships with, relationships with, that you know you gave your utmost respect to. There are good people amongst you. Seek them out. Seek out the ones that are like-minded to you. Be there for each other and build the strength and character in one another. Just like an abused spouse can look back years later and see how far they have come, grateful for the changes that took place, thankful for the support system that helped them stand their ground, to stand up and know that they are more than enough. They deserve better, and you, yes, you, are worthy. Blessings.